Well, why did I choose CRS? Well, based on their reviews, which were online, which were definitely positive, I chose it for that reason. Also, their placements were, astounding. The challenges I had to face were based on the time frame. I'm from the U.S. and the classes are taught in India, but everything's recorded, and I was able to watch them on my times. And also, they would work with you for those reasons if you couldn't, if you want to see it live. Also, I got plenty of industry experience as far as daily or weekly projects that were given at the end of the week. They were based on real-time scenarios, and those were great. You work through those and you get a bunch of experience just doing that. For certification, every day in class we're getting certification, questions and things of that nature, and you just can't go wrong with that. Also, the support that I got every week, at the end of the week on Saturday or Sunday, we would have a question to answer, and that's based on the weekly material that we would have during class, and that was just great. As far as recommending CRS, I definitely would. I mean, I've took a lot of classes within Salesforce, and this one right here is the best. The instructor is just great, and I really love it, and I want to thank you. Thanks.